HOLO stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Tuesday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Had an upcoming earning report. My bad, it's like a reverse split that we got, and yeah, I will just have to move my previous drawings a little bit higher, so where they're supposed to be, right? Because I'm the only guy sitting here that can actually claim that I'm incorrect about this thing 8 months back, because you can see all these links on the chart, right? They're just all previous proof. And show me another person with this much proof here. I mean, ultimately, when I showed this video, people think that I'm lying. Right, this was made when it was sitting at 50 cents at the time, before the 2 reverse splits that we've had. But 26th August last year, and since then I've been just taking it down, and it just keeps melting and melting and melting. And all I'm going to say is now we're in the new bearish range. The likelihood of this just still continuing to melt down is still quite high. Still waiting though, you know, not just going to randomly pull the trigger on this just because. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.